I've always been curious. I was the kind of kid who took stuff apart just to figure out how to put it back together. I grew up in a house where science was dinner table talk. Curiosity was just part of life. It was the big questions that sparked my curiosity. Space, exploration of the unknown, and pushing the limits of technology. At NC State, I found the people and the place to chase those questions. Every day is a new experiment. Sometimes I feel like a mad scientist. 1 minute, I'm simulating a circuit on my laptop, and the next, I'm lighting up the lab with 3-foot arcs of lightning and playing with plasma. Right now, we're trying to make a musical Tesla coil that's more affordable and accessible, something that anyone can build and understand. I want people to see the physics, not just take my word for it. Failure is part of the process. It's how you learn. You don't really understand a circuit until you've accidentally fried one, and then had to rebuild it from the ground up. Outside the lab, I manage tutoring for Eta Kappa Nu, the Honor Society for Electrical and Computer Engineering, because sometimes the hardest part of ECE is just knowing that you're not doing it alone. This summer, I'll be applying what I've learned at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in California, designing and testing high-voltage power supplies. When you're surrounded by people who push you, professors, mentors, and friends who challenge and support you, you begin to realize it all starts here. I'm Zander Selleseth, and I'm proud to be a part of the NC State ECE Class of 2025. Go Pack!